In a thrilling development for motorsport enthusiasts, Lancia has announced its highly anticipated return to rallying with the introduction of the Ypsilon Rally 4HF. This comeback marks a significant milestone for the iconic Italian brand, which has a storied history in motorsport and rallying, particularly during the golden age of the World Rally Championship in the 1980s and 1990s. The Ypsilon Rally 4HF promises to revive the spirit of competition and showcase Lancia's commitment to performance and innovation. The Lancia Ypsilon has long been recognized for its stylish design and urban appeal, but the Rally 4HF variant takes it to a whole new level. Drawing inspiration from Lancia's legendary rally cars, this new model combines contemporary aesthetics with heritage design cues that harken back to the brand's successful rallying past. With bold graphics, a sporty stance, and enhancements that emphasize its rally capabilities, the Ypsilon Rally 4HF stands as a tribute to Lancia's legacy while appealing to a new generation of rally fans. At the heart of the Ypsilon Rally 4HF is a performance-oriented powertrain that is engineered to excel in competitive environments. Under the hood, the rally car is equipped with a turbocharged engine, delivering the necessary power and torque for dynamic performance on varied terrains. The Ypsilon Rally 4HF is designed to compete in the Rally 4 category, making it suitable for both novice and experienced drivers. The vehicle's lightweight construction and advanced suspension system enhance its agility and responsiveness, key attributes for any rally car. In addition to its performance capabilities, the Ypsilon Rally 4HF incorporates cutting-edge technology that enhances the driving experience. The vehicle features an advanced telemetry system, allowing drivers and teams to monitor performance metrics in real time. This data can be invaluable for tuning the car and strategizing during competitions. Furthermore, the interior is equipped with modern safety features and racing-focused instruments, ensuring that drivers can maintain focus on the course while having access to essential information. Lancia's return to rallying is also marked by a commitment to sustainability. The Ypsilon Rally 4HF is designed with eco-friendly materials and processes in mind, reflecting the brand's dedication to reducing its environmental footprint. This approach aligns with a broader trend in motorsport towards more sustainable practices, appealing to a growing audience that values both performance and environmental responsibility. The launch of the Ypsilon Rally 4HF signals a new chapter for Lancia as it seeks to revitalize its presence in motorsport. The brand's history in rallying is rich, with numerous accolades and a loyal fan base. By re-entering the rally scene, Lancia aims to reclaim its position as a formidable competitor and connect with both longtime fans and new customers. The Ypsilon Rally 4HF is not just a car, it's a symbol of Lancia's ambition to blend heritage with modernity. Lancia is also making efforts to engage with fans and build excitement around its return to rallying. The company has plans to showcase the Ypsilon Rally 4HF at various motorsport events, allowing enthusiasts to experience the vehicle up close. Additionally, Lancia is exploring opportunities for partnerships and collaborations that will enhance its presence in the rallying community, further solidifying its commitment to the sport. The return of Lancia to rallying with the Ypsilon Rally 4HF is a momentous occasion for both the brand and motorsport aficionados. With its blend of performance, advanced technology, and a nod to the past, the Ypsilon Rally 4HF embodies what Lancia stands for: elegance, innovation, and a passion for competition. As the brand embarks on this exciting journey, it invites both seasoned rally fans and newcomers to witness the resurgence of an automotive legend. The Ypsilon Rally 4HF is poised to make its mark on the rallying world, rekindling the thrill of competition and paving the way for Lancia's future in motorsport.